Okay, so this is a short how-to on spatial adjustment. We know from week 1 and week 2 that where our GeoApp and our mobile device locates things isn't necessarily exactly where it is. They're reasonably accurate but not very precise, and so we need to be able to adjust our location information to suit where the correct position of our features is. In this case, I'm just going to show you briefly how to adjust the point features in ArcGIS. Okay, so we're going to open up the test file that I was showing you in the previous video, and that's simply locating it in my folder using our catalog and simply zooming into our features. And in this case here, we know the features that I'm working with, these set here. Now, how do we know where they need to move and by how much they need to move? We know they're not particularly accurate or precise, so we're going to make use of a high-resolution air photo that has been geo-referenced accurately. In this case, you'll find the air photo in a zip folder on Blackboard, and you can unzip that and open the file. And now we'll have a nice high-resolution image that's auto-rectified and geo-referenced to be accurate and precise. And in this case, we can right-click on the product and go to our properties, and we can see that it's produced at approximately 15 centimeter resolution, so it's a very high resolution air photo that we can work with here. Now, if we just change the symbology for our figure, left click on the symbol in our table of contents and select a different symbol that stands out and looks good, we can zoom in now, and if we use our information or our identify button, we can select, we can see that this is an amenity and it's a LED light. So if we look back at our information here, we can see there's the shadow for our light. The top of our light is actually just a little spot here, and this is where the point that I recorded is located according to the GPS in my phone. So it's not particularly accurate, so we would like to change that. Up here in our toolbar, if you right click, you can open the editor. So this allows you to edit your files. Just move that up and place it in your toolbar. You'll need to do this every time you come into the computer labs, because if other people have logged in, your profile will have been wiped and all of your settings have been destroyed. We go to editor and we start editing, and we'll automatically bring up the layer that's available for us to edit, which is the test layer. And initially it'll come up as edit tool. If you read what's underneath there for our edit tool, select and edit features in an edit session. So that's what we'd like to do. We're going to edit the properties of this feature. We can click on it, and we can simply left click, hold and move to its new location. And that is about as difficult as it gets. Editor, we save our edits. Editor, stop editing, and our point has now been moved from where it was recorded to its correct location. If we identify another feature, we'll see that this is a palm from central Brazil, and it would actually be this location just here, this palm here. So we can once again use our editor, start editing, click, left mouse, hold and drag, let it go, and it will now be sitting on top of the canopy of our palm tree. Editor, save edits, editor, stop editing. It's as easy as that.